हाय, वेलकम टू जुरिस्टिक अकेडमीज यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज की वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे एलएलएम प्रोग्राम ऑफर्ड बाय एनएलयू दिल्ली की। सो वी विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट द एंट्रेंस एग्जाम फॉर दैट, व्हिच इज द आईलेट पीजी एग्जाम. So we will talk about the program details, we'll talk about the eligibility for this exam, the pattern, the entrance syllabus, etc. So if you're interested in appearing for this exam, do check it out till the end because we'll discuss everything related to the IELET PG examination, especially for the 2024 LLM candidates. But before we start, we have a quick announcement. We are organizing a webinar for candidates who are preparing for IIT Kharagpur LLM entrance. It will be scheduled, it will be organized on 4th March 2023. It is only for enrolled students. So if you're interested, you can check out our courses or you can call us to know more about this and our different programs as offered. Now coming to the IELET PG exam. So IELET is the entrance test which is conducted by NLU Delhi. So IELET is conducted for the UG courses as well, and the same exam is also conducted for the PG courses for candidates who want to enroll in the LLM course offered by NLU Delhi. So as we all know that National Law University Delhi does not participate in CLAD, and it is one of the most reputed universities in India so far as the legal courses are concerned. So if you are interested in this, it is a very competitive exam, but you should know all the details before you even decide if you want to appear for this exam or not. So firstly, we'll talk about the program details. The program is a one-year residential program. It is divided into 2 semesters, and these are the specializations that NLU Delhi offers. So you can see that there are quite a few specializations, mostly relating to constitutional law and business laws. So constitutional law and environmental law, criminal law, human rights and humanitarian law, personal laws, and business laws are the specializations that NLU Delhi offers as of now. So if you're appearing in subsequent years, you should also visit the website of NLU Delhi frequently because the specializations keep on changing. So you might want to get that updated from time to time. Now coming to the total intake of students. So via the IELET PG examination, they take 70 students on merits. As you can see the division on your screens. There are 30 seats for general category, 2 seats for persons with disability, 14 seats for OBCs, 10 for SCs, 5 for STs, and 7 seats for EWS. Other than that, there are 10 additional seats which are for the foreign candidates as well. So if you are interested in applying for that, then you will not have to write the IELET PG examination, and there'll be a separate admission process for that. Now quickly looking at the fee structure. So you can see that the fee structure has been given on your screens. The division also has been given as to how it has to be paid at the time of the counseling and what remains after that. Now coming to the IELET PG exam, which is what our main topic of discussion is. So the eligibility for this exam is similar to what the eligibility for CLAT is. So if you have completed or if you are in your final year of LLB or an equivalent law degree, and if you have obtained 50% marks, then you are eligible to sit for this exam. So you can see that there's a bare minimum eligibility criteria which applies for both IELET as well as CLAT. Now coming to the application fee. So you have to pay 3,500 rupees for the application fee if you're a general category candidate. And if you are belonging to SC, ST or PWD categories, then the fee is INR 1,500 for you. Now coming to the tentative exam month. Now this is important because up until previous few years, CLAT and IELET both were conducted in the month of May for the admissions that start from July onwards. But recently CLAT and IELET both have changed their pattern and they have changed their exam months. So now they are conducted in the month of December every year. So for example, if you were to apply for admissions in 2023, then the exam for that has already happened in December 2022. So if you're appearing for IELET PG 2024 examination, then please remember the exam will be conducted in December 2023 for those admissions. Now coming to the exam pattern. So exam pattern has also been changed by IELET PG very recently. So the changes are quite important because they did have a different pattern for the 2022 examination, and then for 2023 they did make some changes in that. So you might want to stay updated on what the exam pattern for IELET is in the year that you are appearing. But so far as 2023 is concerned, this is what the pattern was, and hopefully this will remain same for IELET PG 2024 as well. So you can see the total marks is 150. It will be a 90-minute paper. There's a negative marking of 0.25. There are 2 sections in it. So they will be testing In section A, your English and legal reasoning, and section B will consist of subjective answer questions. Section B will only be evaluated if you obtain a minimum percentage in the section A. So you can see that you need to be good in English, your legal reasoning should be strong, and then you should additionally have the flair of writing good answers for you to be able to crack this exam. For English, you can see there are these other areas. There are 25 questions that will be asked from it. So mostly it will be consisting of comprehensions, antonyms, synonyms, fill in the blanks, idioms, jumble words and sentences. Now coming to the legal reasoning portion, which will again be of 25 questions of 2 marks each. So the syllabus is very similar to what we have in CLAT. So you can see that all the important subjects of CLAT are also tested in AILET. So there's constitutional law, jurisprudence, PIL, criminal law, corporate laws, tort law, family law, IPR, property, and a few other miscellaneous subjects of your UG courses as well. Now coming to the subjective answer writing topics. So they have not really defined any syllabus for it, but it simply says that different branches of law will be tested. So there will be 10 options that will be given to you, out of which you will have to write answers on any 2 topics. So you can see that it's not really that competitive, in the sense that out of 10 questions, you'll naturally be able to select at least 2 on which you can write answers. But generally they do ask questions from contemporary topics, things that have recently been in news, and also from the basic concepts of the important subjects like company law, constitutional law, criminal law, IPR, etc. So this is how you should basically prepare for it. We are also attaching the questions that have been asked in the 2023 and 2022 examination. So you can see for reference that these are the questions that they asked in the 2023 examination. And these are a few questions that were asked in the 2022 examination. So you can screenshot these, or you can find the AILET PG paper online and practice questions if you're appearing for the AILET PG exam. So with this, we have come to the end of our video. We have discussed everything relating to AILET PG. If you're interested in knowing more about our courses, you can also check out our website from the link given in the description box. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.